Hey everyone, I'm Nick from How to Agender. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to wear something festive because it's a beautiful day and a beautiful video. In this video I'm going to unbox my new Irregular Choice shoes. I'm super excited for these because they've been in their box for a few days now because I didn't have time to film, and here we are, finally I can unbox them together with you. You guys know I absolutely love Irregular Choice. This year they celebrate their 20th anniversary, and they are doing it by re-releasing old styles. Every Friday throughout the whole month of May they released older styles back again, and I have to say for 3 Fridays I was not super excited about it. I felt like they only released flats or mid heels, and they did do a few high heels as well, but I felt like the styles were not super rare. You could still easily find them secondhand and not pay full price for them. So I was not super excited about it, but for the 4th week, Regular Choice left us shook by re-releasing old character heels. If you don't know Irregular Choice, they're a super fun and cute UK-based brand. They do crazy shoes, which I absolutely love. Lots of details, lots of glitter, lots of uniqueness. And one of their signature styles are character heels. Character heels are heels in the shape of characters, obvious, which are, in the case of Regular Choice, are fawns, bunnies, gnomes, unicorns, all of that shebang. I already have a few character heels, so I will put my shoe collection of Irregular Choice right here and in the comments. You can go check it out. I will do an updated video, but I waited for these to arrive to film what I have right now. So for the 4th week of this archive revival collection, they did a collection called the Family Reunion. So they re-released character heels in the shape of gnomes, bunnies, unicorns, kittens, lambs, all of that. And it's super cute, and they did not really release older styles like they were in the past, but they put them in a new jacket. They are super nice in rainbow colors and pastel colors. Now the style that I bought is called Fuzzy McFrosty. What they did with this pair, it is theoretically a completely new character heel, because in the past they had pandas and they had bears, but those were in the same shape, just the way that they were painted showed them off as pandas or bears. For this collection they launched polar bears, so they actually put a glitter coating on top of the bears, and which makes them polar bears. You will see it in a second. So I am super excited to unbox this box. I bought them at Succubus. This is a Dutch online shop, and they have a physical shop as well. Unfortunately the physical shop is a bit too far for me. It's like about 2 or 2.5 hours of a drive, and I'm not that committed to buy shoes. Well, I am actually, but not just to buy one pair. So I ordered them online on the launching day. You can still check out Succubus itself or the official Irregular Choice shop. I think they still have a few sizes in stock, although they were sold out pretty fast. So if you're excited about seeing these shoes and unboxing them with me, make sure to continue watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any future content around shoes and gender. I do specific videos around shoes and around gender, talking about my own experience, for example. Like the video if you like Irregular Choice or if you like unboxings, and let me know down in the comments below if you like these shoes, what you think about them, what I should do next as a video. Maybe just drop a line and let me know. Let's dive into the video. Now I literally spent half an hour on my makeup and I wiped it all off because my face is not really feeling makeup today. My eyelids were like, we're good, thank you, we're gonna just make everything look patchy as hell and just call it a day. So I just drew on some lip gloss and that's it. Okay, so let's unbox this box. Comes in this beautiful shocking pink box. When you open it, let's turn it this way. When you open it, you can see that the box is packaged in beautiful pink tissue paper as well. Succubus always does that. They also have a nice little flyer of the shop, where their shops are located and everything. You get the packaging list, but this is the most exciting part. Let's unbox the shoes. Oh my goodness, I am absolutely in love with these shoes. I think the stunning glitter throughout the shoe is so amazing. The white with the blue reflect, it really gives an icy effect, which is what the shoe was built for. I think it's a very unique shape. You have like a half boot type of situation. They look very quirky from the front. They look great from the outer side with all of the ice bear and all of the other sea creatures swimming around in the plastic. Of course, it is a plastic shoe, so it's gonna get a bit foggy if your feet start sweating, but that's just what it is. Normally, I don't really buy plastic shoes, but these ones I do very much like. Then, of course, you have the beautiful polar bear heel. I do have to mention a lot of glitter has already fallen off just from filming them and taking them out of the box, so I'm a bit scared about that. I can already see a few patches of material where the glitter is gone or where it is flaking off a bit, but that was already like a concern before I got them actually. Like the bears are fully covered in glitter. If they rub against each other, if they rub against something else, the glitter will come off. So that's a bit of a shame, but I very much love the whole aesthetic vibe of the shoe, and they're such a collector's item that I'm definitely going to keep them. Fit wise, they are a bit snug. They're a 41. Normally for me, if there's no platform underneath an Irregular Choice shoe, I can get away with a 41, and I can get into these. Maybe a 42 would be slightly more comfortable, so I can still buy them in that size or swap them with somebody else if I can. But for now, this 41 will do. These will go straight to my closet to admire as much as possible. Also, the box, yet again, this season is absolutely beautiful with the cat, and then the tissue paper, which is in this stunning color. Irregular Choice just always delivers. You get that with the sole of the shoe as well. On this one, you have two cute birdies, and then on the sole, you have the word love written in flowers. It's super cute. It's this way around actually. Super nice. So yeah, I'm very excited about these shoes. I'm super glad I can add them to my collection. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any future content around shoes and gender. Leave a like, leave a comment down below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.